Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you should stop chasing happiness and how doing this is going to benefit your mental health, which in turn will benefit your physical health and your spiritual health because they are all interrelated. In case you are new here, my name is Marissa. I'm a pharmacist and holistic health coach, and here on this channel, I talk about all things holistic living, and I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and come and join me on this health and wellness journey that we are all on together. So the reason that I want to talk about this is because of what I have personally learned up to this point in my life, and also what I tend to see in other people who are constantly chasing and searching for happiness, but at the end of the day, they aren't happy. At least they don't look happy. They almost look like something is missing in their life, like there's a void that they are trying to fill, but no matter how hard they try, it's just not working. So happiness is a mood, it is a feeling, and the fundamental problem with this is that it is highly dependent on external factors, our mood, our surroundings, our environment, and we tie it greatly to materialistic things or achievements, which makes it highly variable and an unstable emotion because there is always going to be something that comes up that is difficult, is depressing, hard, and challenging that will interfere with us feeling happy. Now, there is nothing wrong with feeling happy or wanting to be happy, but the problem comes in when you are constantly searching for something or someone to make you feel happy. Happiness is great in the moment, but it dissipates, and when it does, you'll be looking for the next thing or person to help you feel happy again. And the cycle just continues. And in my opinion, that cycle is very stressful and unfulfilling, and it's hard on you mentally. It's hard on the people that you're around because it puts a lot of pressure on them to always try to make you feel happy. And it can be very hard on your wallet if you are somebody who likes to buy things to make yourself feel happy again. So instead, what I like to intentionally do is to shift my mindset from always trying to pursue the feeling of being happy to being joyful. Unlike happiness, being joyful is a state of being that isn't dependent on external factors. Life does not have to be perfect for you to be joyful. There could be a lot of issues, problems, and stressors that you are currently facing and dealing with, but you can still find little moments within your day to be joyful and to find joy in. And I think the best way to practice this is with gratitude. Feeling grateful for what you do have in life instead of always wanting more and needing more. And what's beautiful about shifting your mindset from looking for happiness to being joyful is that you can have an inner peace within you. This inner peace helps to stop the constant, never-ending cycle of searching for happiness from external factors and allows you the realization that you have more control over your emotions than you may think. And you can take on the personal responsibility of being content with yourself versus always needing something or someone to make you feel whole and to fill the void that you may feel within you. Now, this doesn't mean that you aren't consistently working towards your goals. This doesn't mean that you have to be content with what you have or where you are in life and to stop chasing towards your dreams. And it doesn't mean that every day will be rosy or that you'll never feel sad or anxious or any negative emotion again, but it means that you can intentionally fill your day and your mind with little moments of joy and peace, and this can help put things back into perspective, alleviate stress, and help you to enjoy the journey and enjoy the process. So many times I hear from people, I'll be happy when, ... when I lose weight, when I fit into those skinny jeans again, when I'm a size whatever, which is a whole other topic for a different time, when I quit my job, when I get my dream home, when my business takes off, when I make more money, when I get into my dream school, etc. And it's perfectly okay to feel happy when or if these things happen, but unfortunately, when this is all you think about, you tend to miss out on all the wonderful little moments of life that are around you each day while you're pursuing your big goals. The saying, stop and smell the roses, works perfectly here. And when you live with the mentality of I'll be happy when ... you can feel more stress because there is so much pressure on getting or achieving X, Y, and Z to make you feel happy. And if it or they can't live up to the expectations that you've set because they might be unrealistic, then you can feel hugely disappointed. And when you finally reach your goal, your mind most likely will immediately say, okay, I did it, I got it, great, but what's next. So you feel happy in the moment, but when the moment passes and the happiness dissipates, you are so conditioned to being in the cycle of searching for something to make you feel happy again. And so you go start pursuing something or somebody else right away because what you just accomplished or got isn't making you feel happy anymore. And so you start looking for the next thing that you believe will make you happy. And then the cycle just continues. And after doing this for months or even years, there might come a day where you stop, pick your head up, and say, wait, how did I get here? And you may think of all the little things that you wish you had taken a moment for to appreciate while you were in the moment when they were happening. Truly, the one thing in life that we can't get back is time. So take a moment to sit down and enjoy your food with your family instead of eating mindlessly and always on the go. Have fun and get excited when you hear your favorite song come on the radio. Just be careful if you're driving. Call someone you love and have a meaningful conversation with them. Cook a meal at home versus getting takeout. I find that the food that I make or that my mother makes or that my grandmother makes tastes way better than anything I can get from a restaurant, and that is because there is a lot of love that goes into preparing a meal for you and for your family. When I was studying holistic health and wellness, they called this vitamin L, which stands for love, and that's not going to be found in a dish made by someone you don't know or love. Laugh during a funny movie. Take a walk and look up from your phone and up at the sky. Enjoy a sunset or a sunrise. Each one looks different and amazing. And these are just a couple of examples, but there are so many moments in the day that we can experience joy in, and we don't have to feel miserable each day until we finally get or achieve something that we think will finally be the thing that makes us happy. Now, I will say that spirituality can play a huge role here in helping you with this. A lot of my personal inner strength and peace and joy comes from my belief in God. And you don't have to be religious or identify with a religion in order to be spiritual, but for me, I believe that God is always with me. He wants the best for me. He is my rock that I can depend on always, that I am already enough and loved just as I am, that I am here on this earth for a purpose, and that there is meaning and worth in my life and in my presence. And I believe that the same goes for you too. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. And that right there fills me with so much inner peace that no matter what comes my way, I can rest assured in that belief. So that is my opinion on all of this. It has really worked well for me and for my health, mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please comment those down below. Just please be respectful of everybody's opinions. I really hope that this video helps you. If you enjoyed it, then go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I post videos every week, and I would love to have you join my YouTube community. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and the links for those are down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be joyful, everyone. Bye.